Hello, I'm Simon Turner. I'm here at Palma de Mallorca, Spain, but we're going to have a look at VENATOR, Swan 65, number 004. She's a very special yacht. Classic, timeless, and yet also modern. She's very different from her sister ships and very special. Please enjoy the visit and please tell me your comments afterwards. Thank you. Welcome to the extraordinary S&S Swan 65 004 VENATOR. You can notice immediately her clean deck lines and simplified layout. There is the easily deployed sun bimini. This superb teak deck was renewed in 2017 and the topsides were painted in 2018 when the underwater hull was also refinished. The secondary winches aft are Luma 68s from 2008. The primary winches forward are electric 77s, new in 2005. Do note the many high-quality stainless steel details. The rondel flush hatches were part of the 2005-06 refit. Her AB tender and outboard were new in 2019. The Luma electric windlass was new in 2021 with stainless steel chain and anchor from 2018. There's a Baymar EJF2 electric furling headstay, new in 2021. There's the carbon prodder and a top-down furler for the A2. The standing rigging was all renewed in 2022, and the masts were painted at the same time. In January 2026, she had a new main track fitted to the mainmast. Both masts have lazy jacks and an easy stow cover. The two Anderson winches on deck by the mast were added by the current owner, replacing old variants. VENATOR is set up for easy sailing by two persons, even on longer passages. In 2005, a Max Power VIP 150 bow thruster was installed, and this was refitted in 2019. The exterior canvas was renewed in 2019. She has new sails, main, Genoa and mizzen, from 2020, plus a further 10 sails from 2005. There's a beautiful teak varnished cockpit table. Please see the photos. The yacht benefits from very many upgrades and improvements throughout her deck, rig and sail handling systems. At the pedestal, she had a new micro commander system in 2020. Also here are the light switches, head sail furling and bow thruster controls, not forgetting the lovely classic downforth compass. She had renewed BNG instruments in 2018-2020, including the ZEUS screen, MFDs and analogue units as seen. At the helm on the port side are the engine controls, autopilot controls and the navtech panel. There's a deck shower in the port side locker. Let's go on down below. Welcome to the interior. We enter directly to the full-width saloon. In the 2005-06 refit, the settees were moved outboard and a new table was installed. Please see the photos. We'll go forward through the small hallway to the starboard cabin and on through the washroom to the forecastle. This area has been refitted to provide a comfortable cabin with double V-berth, lockers, stereo and a useful BNG unit. It's an ideal area for crew. The swimming ladder also stows here. The adjoining washroom area, also refitted, has new countertops and fittings. It combines, cleverly, the classic nautical style with modern conveniences. The two forward guest cabins each feature upper and lower berths. The upper one may pull out to form a double, as shown here. Each cabin has a locker forward and lockers outboard of the lower bed. There's a ventilation fan and the availability of air conditioning or heating supplied from the saloon units. The Webasto heating and air conditioning system was new in 2005 and refitted in 2019. All 3 toilets on board are Jabsco electric units. The showers and wash basins drain to sump tanks. There is 1 blackwater tank on board. Venator has ample fresh water, both from her 1300 litre capacity and a powerful spectral water maker. Back at the saloon, please appreciate the unique style and immaculate condition of Venator. However, some of her best features are not seen as they lie below the surface. The Steyr 126 horsepower engine from 2008 is below the saloon floor in an immaculate engine bay. The area was fully renewed in 2005 and the engine was out of the yacht in 2019. The area was again fully improved. Please see the pictures of the dining table opened out to full size and the coffee table on the starboard side, and those of the engine bay with its double insulated floor. The galley has the original layout, but, as with all other areas, has been refitted and newly equipped. The Whisper 9.4 kilowatt genset, also refitted in 2019, is under the floor. The chart area features a B&G Zia screen, a further screen for the PLC system, plus the nav text, and that amazing electric panel. The yacht was fully rewired and plumbed in 2005. In 2025, the systems were upgraded again, and she now has lithium batteries. The aft cabin was also rebuilt in the 2005 refit, which included widening the berths to make them more comfortable. The adjoining head area, as those forward, was also refitted. On the starboard side of the cabin is a vanity and desk area with spacious lockers and drawer space. In one of those lockers, there's a clothes washing machine installed. There is really so much more to say about and to show you on this remarkable yacht. You really do need to see her to fully appreciate the love, work and investment that she has enjoyed these last 20 years. The huge refit in 2005-06 was immense, and Venator is a unique classic S&S Swan. Thank you for your visit.